While it is an honor, I am acutely aware of the weight of responsibility that comes with being the custodian of Jammu and Kashmir's finances at this crucial juncture. This budget is more than just a financial statement. It is a roadmap for a new and prosperous Jammu and Kashmir, reflecting the aspirations of our people and laying a strong foundation for economic growth, social progress, and sustainable development. As we navigate challenges and embrace new opportunities, I seek the unwavering support and active collaboration of every honourable member of this august House. Together, transcending political differences, we must unite to fulfill our shared commitment to building a stronger, self-reliant Jammu and Kashmir, working for the greater good of our people. The journey of Jammu and Kashmir has been one of resilience and determination. Our government is committed to transforming Jammu and Kashmir into a modern, progressive and economically vibrant region. Our government endeavours to frame a roadmap to reclaim the prudence, sagacity and self-confidence which have been the cornerstones of our identity for generations. Our challenges are vast and our limitations are many, but we must collectively pledge to confront these challenges head-on with unwavering resolve. I have endeavoured to prepare this maiden budget as a true reflection of the dreams of our people, the needs of our future generations, and the aspirations of every citizen of Jammu and Kashmir. The restoration of full statehood is a deeply cherished aspiration of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and our government remains resolute in working towards its fulfillment. My government is committed to strengthening grassroots democracy by empowering Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies which play a crucial role in local governance and development. Our government is committed to holding elections to these bodies, reinforcing our commitment to accountable, inclusive and decentralized governance for the holistic development of Jammu and Kashmir. This budget emphasizes inclusive growth, fiscal prudence and strategic investments in infrastructure, agriculture, industry, healthcare, education and digital governance. We are focused on bridging regional disparities, empowering youth and women and fostering a business-friendly environment to attract investments and innovation to ensure this budget truly reflects the aspirations of our people. We engaged with elected representatives, industry leaders and key stakeholders, incorporating their insights to create a people-centric roadmap for a better quality of life for all. We have also set new standards of engagement with and feedback from people's representatives by directly engaging with each member of this august House in the budget consultation process. Jammu and Kashmir is at the threshold of a new era of peace and prosperity, with a semblance of normalcy returning after over 3.5 decades of turmoil. This improved environment is contributing to economic progress, with J&K's economy expanding from 1,64,103 crores in 2019-20 to 2,45,22 crores in 23-24.